Hey guys, we're just covering de-pinning your harness plugs. So to pull them out, you'll need some pointy sharp tool to probe into the plug to get the pins out. So the way these actually lock in, if you can see here, there is a tiny little tab right there that locks into the plastic. So when you go to take them out, you need to push that little tab down through the hole inside the plug, each hole next to the pin that you're trying to remove. So you got those rectangle holes. So you need to get your pointy tool in there. It's gonna be a bit hard to show. So you need to get your pointy tool in there, and what you want to do is actually push down that tab. I'm gonna push it down because at the moment it's locking the pin in. So as you push down, you should be able to give it a bit of a wiggle and it should pull up and come out the back like that. And then when you go to change it to your next spot, so you can see I've bent it a little bit, so you probably want to just bend it back up, so it gets grip again. Like so, just make sure it lifts up a bit. And then you can go into your next pinhole, which you're moving it over to. Make sure it's facing up towards where you put the pin in, where the little latch is going to go up. Push it in, and you should hear a tiny little click. Tiny little click, faint click, and then it should be nicely locked in, shouldn't come back out. And that's how you do the female side.